Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I've done this. You know what I'm saying? It's been a legitimately hot minute. Don't judge me. You ain't my business. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't judge me.
You ain't my business. Don't do that.
I'm back and I'm gonna try to be more consistent on this channel. Cause, but like I said, okay, I'm back. Like, that's it. All right, whatever. But today's video, we're gonna be doing a 3-in-1. We're gonna be doing the makeup, and we're also gonna be doing the hair. I probably won't do that much to my hair. Like, I know I have to fly iron it, and I don't want to fly iron it. Y'all look at this inches. My hair is so long now, but that's besides the point. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna be doing hair, makeup, and outfit. So let's get into this video because I'm gonna do a voiceover because I don't want this video to be too long. I want you to just sit, relax, and enjoy the show. That's that, and that's on period. So without any further ado, let's start with the makeup. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that extra stuff. And you can follow me on Instagram at IAM_differently_made. I might put it like right up there. So yes, without any further ado, let's just jump into the video and enjoy this voiceover. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy it because it's going to be lit. So we're going to listen to some music. You ain't my business. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. You see me? Alright. I watch too much TikTok. I'm gonna start the video. Alright, catch you later. So guys, like, I was priming my face and I didn't tell you guys what I used. I thought I was recording, but apparently I wasn't. I'm stressed. Literally. But I literally used this oil. As you can see, the bottle's almost done because I have not been wearing makeup recently. I just washed my face and I put this oil on my face and I keep going. As you can tell, my skin is doing wonderful. This oil right here, I swear by it. I love this oil. I love it. And then I also just went in with my primer. This is from In Studio. It's a mattifying primer. So these two, this is dry oil and this is supposed to be matte, but this is never matte even if I use it on its own. Whatever. And then I just went in. I'm currently doing my eyebrows. I use this brow pencil. I got it from the dollar store. Not the dollar store, but the hair store. And then also got this from the hair store, but I don't like the color that it has, and it's finished anyways. I think I broke it. I usually use it for my lips because I spray from my lips, but that's what I'm doing. I'm just filling my brows in, like the usual and whatnot. But yeah, let's go back to the voiceover because I'm stressed. I can't believe
So I'm just filling in my brows. I thought I would come on here and show y'all or talk to y'all a little bit, and then I'm gonna get off because I did promise a voiceover, but like right now I don't feel like doing it, so I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm very weird. I'm a weird ass person. I really don't know what's happening here. Yeah, I took both those concealers, the Revolution and Juvia's Place concealer. I mixed that and then I added it on my face, and then now I'm singing. I don't know why I'm singing, but I'm singing. It is what it is. Don't judge me. You see me. You in my business. Don't do that. Bro, just do your eyebrows. Literally, you have one job. Do your eyebrows. Okay, you see, I'm going in, I'm cleaning it up. I am. Hurry up, sis. You're taking too long. Come on, it's just eyebrows. Yo, lately I've been so impatient with my eyebrows.
Crazy.
I don't like doing makeup at all. See, right here, it's that indecisiveness that I couldn't decide. Like, the light looks good right there, but like half of my face was like not bright. It was this whole thing, and so I ended up going right back to where I started from. You always want to remember where you came from. Never want to like play yourself, and I did play myself, so like so I'm going back in and I'm just cleaning my eyebrows again. I'm still on the eyebrow. We're like 4 minutes in this video and I'm literally still on the eyebrow. Okay, finally, foundation. I know that's hurting some people's feelings, but I just took it like that and just rub it over my face. This one's even gonna piss y'all off, but I'm pretty sure y'all gonna be fine and y'all gonna make it through. I know that's right. You do you. You do what makes you happy. You can't be in other people's business. I'm just blending that. Yes, blend, blend, blend. My hands were pretty tired after that. Yo, I have not been wearing makeup lately because it takes so long. Like, literally, it takes so long to do it. But I'm going back in with the same concealer that I used to do my brows, which was the Juvia's Place and the Revolution concealer. Like I said, I like the consistency of the Revolution, and then I like the color of the Juvia's Place concealer. I think in the Juvia's Place I used color 8, and then I don't know what color in Revlon or whatever. So yeah, right now I'm just cleaning my eyebrows, not my eyebrows, but my edges. I think I was putting setting powder on. Yes, I am setting my face with the Black Radiance powder. I like this powder, but sometimes it makes me really white, so I try not to use it like that much. And I'm being weird. I'm doing me, like, spray your face, girl. Spray your face. Set that in. Set it all in, y'all. Yes, you do whatever you're doing, and then boom, hit your nose because you're clumsy. Yes, that's what you get. That's what you get. You shouldn't be doing stuff like that. You should not be doing stuff like that. I'm applying blush. I use my Makeup Exception palette, and what color did I use? I think I used Obsessed or So Cute. I'm just going in with mascara. I mean, y'all can clearly see I'm going in with mascara. I don't know why I feel like I gotta tell y'all I'm going in with mascara when I am actually going in with mascara. But it's okay. It's all good. We live, we move, okay? Ooh! Yes, baby, yes.
Oh, and I ain't put no highlighter on yet. Do you see the skin? Do you see this?
Sis, just do your makeup. That's all they want to see. You do your makeup. What are you doing?
This is really doing some things.
All right, you know what? I'm going to stop this voiceover right here, and I'm going to let y'all enjoy the rest of the video because, you know, I'm good like that. So just watch this and enjoy. I'm going to catch y'all later. But like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And also make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is up front in the video. So I know if you follow me, I know you paid attention. You know what I'm saying? You made it to this video, okay? To this part of this video I meant. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the 2 minutes and 38 seconds. I'm going to catch you in my next video. Love you guys. Peace. Bye. Here, I feel like I came back because I just feel like after that, I don't know what I was doing. I tried to be cute, but like I'm not cute, so like I'm doing something weird. the outfit was cute in pictures, but in video it made me look fat, and I didn't like it. So I just put this like the ones where I kind of look
so without
skinny.
further ado, let's start with the makeup. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that extra stuff.
So
and
check out.
you can follow me on Instagram
But yeah, okay,
at
I'm going ooh, look at that booty.
_differently _May. I probably won't put. I might put it like right up there. So yes, without any further ado, let's just jump into the video and enjoy this voiceover. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy it because it's going to be lit. We're going to listen to some music. You ain't my business. Sounds amazing.